Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a new MetaMask account full guide. Open your browser, install the MetaMask extension, and click Get Started to create a wallet right away. Choose Create a Wallet, set a durable password, and write down the seed phrase on paper. Store that paper in a secure place and never share the phrase. After setup, learn how to import accounts and connect to dApps safely. Protecting your seed phrase is the most important step for wallet security, so treat it like cash. Write it on paper, avoid digital copies, and keep that paper in a locked location protected from theft and damage. Do not share the phrase with anyone and ignore requests claiming to need it. For extra safety, consider a fireproof or waterproof safe and a secondary backup in a different secure place. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so try Little Trees Black Ice for a clean, familiar scent that brightens your commute. I've linked it and other deals in the description, so check there if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When using MetaMask, always verify every site before connecting and review permissions carefully to avoid accidental approvals. Keep your browser and the MetaMask extension updated to receive security fixes and new features. For significant balances, pair MetaMask with a hardware wallet to sign transactions securely and limit browser exposure. Regularly check transaction histories and revoke unused approvals to maintain a clean and secure wallet environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.